We got a broken Frigidaire stove. So we're gonna fix it, guys. The problem is that's a Frigidaire. This one right here does not work. All the other three work. If you turn the switch on, the on light displays, but the stove top doesn't get hot. So number one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect the power, turn the breaker off, move this one out of the way, and then we're gonna get to disassembling this piece so we can access the burning element, swap it out, and hopefully that's gonna be that. Oh, there's two screws, one here and one here. All right, we got one. Let's get the other one. Now you might be watching this video and be like, yeah, it's easy for you, dude, because you know everything. Bro, first time ever touching anything. Well, not anything, but this piece in particular for sure is the first time. But yeah, I never done this one before per se. Well, never done it in general. I did replace it once on a gas stove, but it wasn't like this. It wasn't the glass top. It was just a regular burner. So I replaced that. I replaced the exterior one. You know how they have the exterior ones? I replaced that. But yeah, never done one like this. So, actually, 3 screws on the top. Guys, there's 3 screws on the top. We only did 2. Wrong screws removed. Wrong screws removed. Alright, now I have to put these 3 back. Alright, it's these 2. Get you guys a little close up. So one was here. One was here. Yeah. Shit happens. Now, this is supposed to lift. Sure does. Ta-da! And we got access to the burning element. That's the one we got to swap out. These other 3 work fine. So let's get it. I found my mom as a helper. She's holding it up. And this is her stove anyway. So I'm thinking I need to loosen this one. Great. That was the screw we needed. Alright, so once you remove it out, you're going to have these 2 clips that are held in place by 1 screw. It tells you 9, 6, whatever degrees, 45 degrees, 42 degrees. Replicate the old one that was in there before. Boom, 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 so you can get the same angle for the connector. And yeah, so let's go ahead and swap it out. Woo! Yeah, this was not fun at all, but anyway. So this is the element I was talking about. On the back of it, okay, you see where it has the little hole there, that's where those clips go. And the clips, they have like a little clip, like a tooth on it, right? So the tooth you gotta press in to remove the burning element off of that bracket that supports it, right? And then when you're reinstalling it, you gotta use something like a small screwdriver or whatever to push that pin back out, the little tooth, to push it back out so it can clip in and hold, right? So once it goes in, it can't come back out. But then the element, the way it's positioned, it sits like this on the inside. Well, actually, like that on the inside, right? So naturally, by gravity, it's being held in place by that bar that goes across. So the clips just keep it in place. But yeah, the new one doesn't come with the clips. I don't know why. Come on, China, step your game up. Provided 2 clips, guys. It's so easy. But anyway, it doesn't come with it. So I wish it did, because it would have been easier. You wouldn't have to find something tiny to take those teeth back out so you can clip in place. But whatever. We managed. I think we got it done. The moment of truth is going to be turning it on. So we got the power back on. We put everything back in the way it was. Let's turn the knob. Boom. High. Switch is on. The element. Is it turning on? Oh, 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 oh. Hot surface. And we're back in business. Is it going to work? How long is it going to last for? I have no idea. Mind you, it's not OEM. It's a Chinese replica. So, yeah, who knows what's going to happen. But there we go. At least we know it works. So, it does look like it's a little bit stronger than the original. Whoa, scary. But, there we go. We fixed it. Done. YOLO. But there we go. Project done, finished, concluded. How to fix your burning element on your stove, guys. See ya later. Enjoy. Peace. See you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. It helps the algorithm push us out. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace. Yeah, so I had to open it back up, reverse everything, move it 1 screw over. This, yeah. So when you mount the screws on the back of it, it's literally sucky. There's nothing to hold it in, so you only get 1 attempt. Don't over tighten it, because it will not hold for shit. But anyway, yeah, that's it. So aligned it. Now it's looking good. It's within the ring. Perfect. We're done. Let's move on to the next project. Bye. Peace.